Good evening. This is Ken with PennyHatStocks. Just dropping in to give you my September's promotion. I know I was going to promote a penny stock, but I've been getting a couple emails saying how they wanted to spend some money. So my promotion is ticker symbol AVP. Ticker symbol AVP. I feel like it's fair enough for the newbies to get in at this nice dip, as well as my experienced traders who have some bigger accounts taking kind of max out on this. I've been studying it for a while, going back to all the way about June. Been studying it since June. This ticker, I'm actually going to start accumulating as I have been since I dropped it on my Twitter account earlier this week, or earlier last week, I should say. I'm sorry. Ticker symbol AVP is Avon. This is one of my long positions, but I think a 30-day promotion would actually bring awareness to it, and as well as bring some more volume to it. It's trading nicely now, and it's doing what it's supposed to do. I see the main target is at $7.40. A medium range target is $7. A high target is $13. So I'm looking to make at least $1 or $2 off per share. Last time I dropped it, which was last week, I got about 83 cents a share off of it. Quite a nice little dip. Right now it's going back down to that, so I want to do the same thing. I couldn't squeeze $1 out of it last time, so I got about 80 cents, if I'm not mistaken. 80 cents a share. So ticker symbol AVP is Avon. I know a couple of my homies laughing at me. It's like, man, you promoting Avon now. Nah, but you know, if you look at the history of Avon and the ticker symbol AVP, they spend money. Women spend money, and actually you can hold some long going into the holidays. So as you see, this is Ken with PennyHatStocks. You can also subscribe on to YouTube for my video alerts. This is actually a promotion, so I'm going to go ahead and start promoting it. I'm going full blast with it on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and so forth. So just take your time, study the charts. It's at a very nice dip right now, and as I closed at $4.75. Newbie, if you use grab 50 shares, spend $100 and watch your money grow. Spend that $50 and watch your money grow. You can do the math. So you get like 5 or 6 shares and just hold on to it and watch it grow. You can even do a nice little flip at $100 and make a couple dollars off of it. So once again, this is Ken with PennyHatStocks. You can also email me at pennyhatstocks@gmail.com. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Become a YouTube subscriber for all the newbies who wish to ask me questions. You can always DM me on Twitter, email me. You can also either go on YouTube and start a little comment about whatever ticker symbol of the past. If you want to know my resume, it's getting up there now. Promoted ticker symbol CYCC. Got into that like 70 cents, hit $2. Ticker symbol MPO. That just ran all crazy. Also, I hold a lot of stuff long, pretty much under the radar. I might sell out, take profits, make my, either thousands or a couple hundred here and there. But I also hold, anytime I do a promotion, anytime I run something, I also hold, 200 shares or 1,000 shares or 3,000 shares, depending on where I'm at with it, what was my profit, so I can, just in case it runs. And it's been paying off lately. Ticker symbol CYCC, ticker symbol MPO, ticker symbol AXPW. You can always go back on my Twitter feed and go back to where I let it out and was promoting it or alerted it way before everybody else. And it's all about in the charts and going with your gut. So my gut told me this week, and after looking at the charts, ticker symbol AVP. That's the one I'm going with. Ticker symbol ARO, ticker symbol LINC. I got a couple of them ticker symbols out there, but my promotion, my 30-day promotion, is ticker symbol AVP. I'm going to put some money behind it. I'm trying to get it back up to the high target of $13. That'd be nice. I'll be sitting pretty right before the holidays, right before Thanksgiving. If we can kind of move it and get it out of this red zone and start getting it back to the green. But it did good today. It was up in green today. Didn't drop down, but I'm not mad at it. Got a chance to get back in, got out, get in, get out, get in. That's the name of the game. Flip that cash, newbies. Don't be trying to marry these stocks. Only date them. You can date them for 6 months, especially these NASDAQ stocks. It's not an actual. It's a penny stock, but it's a NASDAQ. It's trading on the NASDAQ. These are some major companies that I've been promoting lately. Anything under $1, then you pretty much can kind of tread cautiously and don't get caught up in the hype. But kind of date it a little longer if it's a NASDAQ ticker, and then you go do some DD on it. I'm not your broker. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just your penny stock promoter. This is Ken with PennyHatStocks, promoting ticker symbol AVP. Going up in a little money because I made some money. I made some nice money during the summertime. So I'm just trying to up the ante a little bit, trying to build the portfolio back up for the winter time, hold a couple things. And there's a whole bunch of red in this market, so you just need to take advantage of it. I've been releasing and dropping them like crazy these last couple weeks and making some nice little money off of it. Once again, this is Ken with PennyHatStocks. Always go on the Twitter feed. Check us out on the Twitter. Promoting penny stocks, alerting on penny stocks. This is what we do here at Ken with PennyHatStocks. I got a lot of stuff coming this winter, so just be prepared, newbies. Main thing is become a subscriber on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Building up the Facebook account again. Kind of shied away from it, but I'm back to building it up. The little chat room we have on Facebook. Just trying to do something different. Shout out to my man, Dre on Facebook. He doing this thing. We had a chance to communicate on the phone, and I like his strategy, like what he stands for. No nonsense type of guy. So he convinced me to jump back on Facebook. I was kind of shying away from it. Twitter was my thing, but he broke it down to me. He broke some real science down to me. He basically said you got your Facebook people, you got your Twitter people, you got your YouTube people, and all of them different. So you need to cater to all of them. So from one person, one man to another man, that's making money in this game, he dropped some real science. So I just wanted to give him a shout out and say thanks, man. I took heed to it, and we're gonna move forward. So I got some new things coming. Like I said, I'm always open to options, and he definitely enlightened me. So once again, this is Ken with PennyHatStocks, trying to keep it short. Newbies, do what you do. Make sure you take profits. Don't invest more than what you can, and don't trade more than you can't afford to lose. Always, this is Ken with PennyHatStocks. You can email me at pennyhatstocks@gmail.com. Follow us on Twitter, as you see. I'm going to drop the chart just so you can see where the chart is. This is right here. This is the dip right here at what day was that? 8/24/15, 437. This is what we do right here. This is last week where we got in at, and pretty much sold it at. I think I sold it like 509, somewhere around there. But we caught that spike right there, and now it's dipping again. It's at 472, 473, 475, somewhere in that area. But it might dip a little harder. But as you see, this is a 120-day chart, daily chart right here. So you go back and take a look at your own charts. Not forcing your hand. This is a big play right here, but I'm quite sure we can squeeze $2 out of it, $3 if we hold real long. But I know I got 80 cents out of it, and I'm looking to gain more on this next dip. So once again, this is Ken with PennyHatStocks. It's not hard. It's not rocket science. And also go check out ticker symbol JDST. Be careful on NUGT. I think they have a reversal split coming soon. So go check it out. Go do your homework. Once again, this is Ken with PennyHatStocks. 30-day promotion. Ticker symbol AVP. Peace.